Please. YouTube. YouTube, please work. Please work, YouTube. Why is the YouTube not working? Hello? Oh wait, it's working. Wait, it says it's been live, but it's nothing showing up. Wait, why isn't anything showing up? Okay, there we go. Hey, hello YouTube. Hello YouTube, what's up? Hold on, I gotta like refresh my YouTube chat right here. What the heck? Docs. Okay, I just need to change the chat because every time you stream it like does like a different chat, so I have to like refresh the chat, I guess. What the heck? That's not right. Hold on. Wait, is the visibility not set right? Hold on. did they set the visibility wrong? What the? Hold on a second. I think my YouTube is being weird. I have a community guideline strike, by the way. I just like, oh shoot, it's private. Wait, hold on. Okay, publish. Please, I just want to be live. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Can I be live, please? Please? Oh my gosh. Hold on. I need to go to a... I need to check if this thing's working. Hold on. Hello? Oh, there it is. Hey! Oh, I'm a standard moderator on this channel. Okay. So... I'm not... This is just my self-filming gun. Yeah, I like my own videos. I'm sorry. Oh, there you go. Okay, the chat is finally working. What the heck? Wait. What in the world? Sorry, my thing is being a bit weird on here. Okay. There, I think this is better. I'm just like changing this up a bit. Okay. Well, looks like it's finally working. Hello YouTube. Hello everybody who's watching. Hold on a second. Hold on, I need to activate my camera. Give me a second. Okay. Camera, please work. Please work, camera, today. I'm like, I've been so tired today and I feel so exhausted. So there we go. Okay, camera. Camera work. Okay, good. Camera's working. What the heck? Wait. I'm sorry, the camera's being a bit weird. Okay, you want... hold on. What? Oh my goodness, OBS's interface is so freaking hard to use. Wait, what the heck happened to the camera? What? Oh wait, did it disconnect? What the fuck happened to my camera? Oh, there we go. Okay. Everybody check out this food I got. This is some awesome food right here. This is peak. So my mom got me like papaya, and also this. So yeah, this is my dinner for today. Good. I mean, okay. I forgot to do my intro. Good evening. Good evening, guys, gals, and non-binary pals. This is me, Pacifiky, and I'm currently eating dinner, and also doing this thing. You've seen the background, but yeah. Okay. So, how the flip do you zoom in? Why is it so hard to zoom in on like OBS? Holy cow. Oh my gosh, OBS is so hard to use because I can't like scroll in and scroll out to zoom in. That's just so annoying. But yeah. Okay. Well, today I'm gonna be today I'm gonna be advertising. No, not. I'm gonna be designing a GPU. well, not really like designing a GPU, but like I'm making a new design. Well, I'm making a frame buffer type thing, because and also like I'm making like a frame buffer thing, and then yeah, like I'm just like I learned a lot about like GPU architecture past few days, so I'm gonna implement that and make a little frame buffer type thing on here. So yeah, by the way, YouTube guys, you guys didn't hear my beautiful singing before. I mean, yet. So I'm gonna unload my beautiful singing. Sorry. I'm also a bit sick. I have like a fever. A bit of a fever right now, but who cares? Okay. I have like a paper which I have outlined the design on. If I could just activate camera. Camera. Oh. Camera. Shoot. Camera activate. Yes. Okay. So this is my little plans right here. All my like little plans. I wrote them down up here. I kind of outlined like the holy shoot, I think this thing's upside down. Wait, this thing might be upside down. Wait, hold on. Wait, why is it upside down? Oh wait, shoot. Okay, hold on a second. There we go. Okay. So yeah, you can see all my my stuff right here. I kind of like outlined it like a programmer. I use like boolean this, whatever. Yeah, just to like just like I could think in a programmatic way, or but yeah, deactivate. Holy cow! This shrimp, this coconut shrimp, is so good. Wow, I think this is from Costco. But they're good. But yeah. Okay, is the music, are you working right now? Okay, the music is working. I'd like to thank the 0 people watching this right now for coming, I guess. Hold on. Wait, I want to see what happens if I join my friends in the voice chat. I should not. Wait, what the flip? Hold on. Okay, they're not. For a second, I thought they were using my bot. I made a Discord bot for them, and well, now they have a Discord bot. So like they like sleep in the VCs, so I like kind of made a Discord bot for them. Like it's called Pillow. It plays white noise or whatever. So yeah. I mean, like, it took like way too long to make because I didn't know like how to. It's like the voice API. Discord's voice API is really complicated. And weird. Well, I should say like Discord JS, but like, it's just really weird to use. And yeah. Okay, let's get started. So we need the frame buffers. Oh wait, my music. Hold on. Am I gonna get copyrighted if I sing? Am I gonna get copyrighted? No, I don't really care. Okay, so we're gonna use like a double frame buffer type thing, like here. Just like for like, since this is like a. Okay, yeah, we're gonna like make a buffer switch type thing. I'm not gonna use like triple buffer because I heard that like that's kind of gonna like isn't that might like slow down the like the simulation. So I'm thinking that. So we're gonna have like a switching thing. I put what I can't type. I had to type the whole flipping multiplayer thing. Why can't I just put mux? Why can't I just type mux? They need to add that. Or wait, I can just add this. I know how to. I mean, I found I'm gonna start contributing to this thing. Oh wait, I'm gonna start contributing to this thing because it's open source. Maybe, if I have the time to, but they should definitely add like tags or whatever, like mucks to the flipping multiplexers. They're muxes. I'm gonna call that. They're called muxes, guys. They're muxes. Okay, is this the color input? Okay, that's the color input. Okay, there. All right, we have our two little buffers right here. Yeah, this is literally a VSync monitor, guys. I mean, this is like VSync. This thing's asynchronous, by the way. It just updates whenever you change these. It just updates automatically. It's kind of annoying. I wish they would make it like clocked, like a clock-based one, like a D flip-flop. But they just I guess not. I guess they don't like their RAM because their RAM isn't clocked either. Like it's asynchronous, and that's kind of annoying, in my opinion. But yeah. So I guess I'll just use a hold on, input. So this should be like 10. I'm stupid. Wait, hold on. 32. That's. I'm pretty sure it's 5. I don't know. I'm a bit. Yeah. Okay. There. It's 5. Yeah. Okay. Let's test it out. Hold on. Okay. I can use a try buffer. Try state. Yeah. Whatever. Okay. I just finished watching Big Hero 6. That's such a good movie. Okay. 24-bit width. Make a. Oh wait. Okay. I wish this. Hold on. Let me just show you guys this tomfoolery right here. Look, I can only input binary on this. They have flipping. Look, they have hexadecimal inputs on like the RAM and whatever, but they don't have you only can do binary on there. That's so flipping annoying. Oh, what? Shoot. Also, I hate that they have like a bit width cap on some things. Like, why can't I make a 64-bit computer of this? And why can't I make like a flipping? Because they have a cap, address width cap of like 10. That's the max. Oh shoot. Yeah, they have an address with max of like of 10, so it's so annoying. Hold on. Cause like you need more, like sometimes you really want more memory and they just like don't allow it. And like you have to like make like a big fat circuit with all of this stuff. Like just uncap it. Just uncap to like 32. Wait. That would probably overwhelm like the whole storage thing. Okay, I see why they're doing it now. Like 10 bits are a bit low. I'm gonna be honest. A bit low. Like we had 16. At least make it 16 bits. Like I think like the Intel 8080 that had a flipping that had a 16-bit address bus. So why can't we have a 16-bit memory? Why do we have to have this cap on the RAM? And also they also have a cap on the ROM. They have a even lower cap on their EEPROM, I guess. Oh wait, it's the same? Oh wait, no, they don't have, oh wait, I'm stupid, wait. Okay, so they have a 20-bit cap on the RAM and then a 10-bit cap on the EEPROM. Okay. Like they also like cap it on like I looked at the code, it's just like inherently capped. Like you just can't do anything else no matter what. Well, I don't know. I don't know what you mean inherently, but okay. Don't wanna live a lie. What am I saying? Wait, are you connected? Hold on. Oh wait, it changed. Hold on. F. Why can't? Okay. You want flip this, bro? I'm not doing that. I can use an EEPROM because they have like, since they have flipping at least they have flipping hex input on this. At least. Okay. Okay. There we go. Alright, address input. 8 bits. Okay, there we go. Boom. Okay, we have white now. Just need to test. Okay, so looks like if it actually like does the stuff, it depends on like if the color is connected. Okay. I see, guys, I see. You know, I'm gonna save this circuit for later. I should probably use a constant for this. Oh wait, ground. Yeah. Okay. You know what? I could just like decrease the address with 1. Oh, yeah. Look, I just make the address with 1 and just have it do this. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's a. You want RAM? Because this is like more lightweight. Or you just like. Hold on. 24. Data out. Okay. We have our little I guess circuit color circuit thing right here. I need to copy this, paste somewhere else. Actually the funny color. I'm just gonna call this the funny color. Okay. I should probably make another circuit for this one. Oh wait, I forgot. I need to advertise my cool stuff. Oh shoot. Hold on. You guys should see my cool extensions that I designed on my own. Kind of so cool. Wait, do I not have the extensions? Oh, there it is. Oh, I don't have them activated. Oh shoot, wait. Wait, hold on. Hold on. I don't want you guys to see that. I'm sorry. I don't want you guys to see that. Okay. This might get me flipping banned. Cause you so. Okay, never mind. Where the flip? I don't even have a lot of my extensions on here. Dang. Hold on. I need to load my extensions, guys. Oh, hey Lucas. 8911. I'm sorry. I'm like literally loading extensions right now. I didn't even see your message. I'm so sorry. Are you? I don't think he's still watching. I'm so stupid. Goodness gracious. Where the heck do I have? Okay. I forgot to, I have so much like stuff I just haven't loaded. I forgot to load this stuff on here. Give me a second, everyone. I'm so sorry. Give me a second. I just load every single one of my flipping in-depth extensions just to flex on you guys. I mean, to advertise, yeah. Okay, so, wait, shoot. Okay, we have our funny color thing here. And also, all my cool extensions. Like, look at all these cool extensions. You wish you had this. You wish you had these, you wish that you had my extensions, like, you wish. I made these extensions, by the way. You should get on the play the web store. Yeah. I'm sorry. Okay, well this is my color circuit. Uh, screen testing. I just call it screen testing because I'm like testing the screen. What the flip? Wait, it just kicked me out. What the flip? Hold on then. That's weird. It just like kicked me out of a flipping. I was signed in. I don't know what happened. What? Did it like break? Oh. Okay, let's try this again. Oh shoot! Wait, no. I pressed the wrong button. Oops. Color test. Screen test. Screen test. Screen. RGB matrix. Monitor, I guess. Display. Okay. Little thing I use to test the screen. Okay, there. I still haven't finished my dinner. I should probably finish this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we have screen testing. Screen, right? Screen matrix. Okay. So we just have our color input like that, and then yeah, okay, we're good. We have our little two. I should probably have a. Okay, I have a door register for the doorbell. Okay, let's make a little doorbell register. I'm stupid. Flip flop. Okay. I'm just gonna use this Steve flip flop just for the doorbell register since it needs to be. It's meant for like memory mapped. So, yeah. And then for my other ones, I use SR latch. Yeah, I'm a bit sick. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, 2 SR latches. Have this thing be our doorbell. Okay, I call this doorbell register. I got this from like a. Like I've been studying like the NVIDIA, how they design their GPUs. I'm pretty sure there's like an open source GPU somewhere. Like, hold on. Somebody like, there's like an AMD something with the AMD. Hold on, let me search this up. AMD open source GPU. Open source GPU architecture. Oh, there's like Fury GPU, which someone. Have you guys heard of Fury GPU? Some crazy guy designed like an actual working GPU with like all the, like, is Quake based on OpenGL? Cause like, or like, how did they get the APIs to work with it? I generally, that's so cool, and I think they actually like. I remember something about like they actually implemented it on FPGA, which that's like insane. That's crazy. Open source GPU architecture. I was pretty sure somebody AMD did. I'm pretty sure AMD released something like that, like a rock. Oh, I'm pretty sure there was one. I don't remember where I saw it, but there was like a AMD made like an open source GPU somewhere, but. Yeah, Fury GPU. I actually saw like the stuff they used to like. I saw like the videos of the guy who made it to test it. It's crazy. Like I saw like it was like running Doom and all that like stuff. AMD read on. Hold on. Let me see what that is. AMD read on. Radeon. Oh wait. Oh, I don't think it was out. There was like another one they open sourced, but Oh, this guy's absolutely crazy. Like I think this is like 2 years ago, but they still haven't. No, this is 1 year ago, but they still haven't open sourced it. They said they were going to do that, but they called the open source GPU. Yeah, they never open sourced it. Like it's so. I don't know what they're doing. I didn't see you, Lucas, that you were still here, but thank you for sticking around, I guess. Oh, shoot. Okay, we have our doorbell register. I guess I'll have this thing be the swap. The swap register. Why can't we have like a center text, please? Just give me center text. Swap. Swap register, yeah. I mean, yeah, okay, we have a swap register. I think there's another one which was gonna say whether it's busy or not, but whatever. Okay, so for this, I'm gonna make this, it's 1 bit, but I was planning on making like a full, hold on, you know what? I think, let's make it 32, since this should be used with like 32-bit devices. Whatever. Piece of splitter. Yeah, okay, there we go. You just use like a splitter to detect if this thing's here, and whatever. Because I was originally planning on having this be I was originally planning on making this like a command thing, so like different commands sent through it, but whatever. Also have a. There's also like another part I was planning on having like a buffer switching thing. That so like a computer could like so it would like go to this memory right here and like swap with another memory to like get a 3D model over or like some data, whatever. But yeah, that's the thing. For this RAM, 32 bits. Okay. Okay, with our swap register right here, we're gonna use this to put it right here. You know, I'm a bit conflicted on the placement of this stuff. And then we'll have like a demuxer, and then wait, hold on, what is this? 10-bit address? Oh wait, yeah, this is 10 bits, okay. 10 bits address, and then we're just gonna like set this to which one we're gonna have the thing. I'm gonna have to use 2 demuxers. Swap register makes me remember about Linux and the hard stuff. Yeah, like the swap memory thing. It's not the. I mean, it's like how they like swap like swap stuff from the RAM to the hard drive. I think like a bunch of like OSs have that these days, but whatever. That's just what they call it over there. Over there at the Linux, whatever. All this thing does is it just like swaps between like these 2 frame buffers. I should probably like move this down. It's not text swap. By the way, how are you doing today, Lucas? Oh, 8, 9, 11. How you doing? Okay. Here we have our frame buffers. Let's go. This is originally supposed to be just like a frame buffer mechanism, but I'm planning on implementing with my other CPU design, the Soother GPU, which has like full 3D rendering at this point. But yeah, I should probably have a clock. So we're gonna have a. You know, this thing should be its own circuit. I'm gonna like copy all this stuff and like place it in its own circuit. Let's call this hold on. What should I call this? I need to think of something. How about there was this one computer science that made the like the noise. Perlin. Oh, Ken Perlin. Perlin. Yeah. This guy's crazy. He made like the first, like, he made computer noise. Like, he invented the noise function and all that. Okay, Perlin GPU. This is gonna be a basic thing. We're gonna have an input for the clock. Yeah. And then we're gonna probably have like have to have like a circuit to. I already have a circuit to like overclock stuff. Hold on. Because like the clock has a maximum speed of, hold on, let me show you guys this like tomfoolery right here. This is so stupid. Hold on. It has a max. It's a max of 50 milliseconds. That's so flipping slow. That's 20 times per second. That's so slow. It's so slow. So what I do is so for my other projects I use well, I've only used it with my Femboy 8's CPU. Why is this thing still public? What the? I should probably make this thing not public. This is not intended to be like this. Privating that. Okay. Okay. Femboy 8. Yeah. Okay. So for this circuit I use right here, this is my like CPU that I made. You know, I use this overclock circuit, which basically it's like really, in fact, like the like another guy who makes CPUs actually told me that there's like a better way, but the other way is kind of bad in my opinion. It just kind of like a lot of times it, like, induce like stack overflows. Yeah. Okay, so this thing runs at 2K. Yeah, this thing is 2K 2 kilohertz. I'm pretty sure. I think that's how you say it, 2 kilohertz, but yeah. This thing's gonna be the pace that we're gonna run this stuff. So this thing should send a bunch of little, yeah, it's a 50 delay. This thing should probably be a bit longer, but whatever. So I only have 50 time units to do this stuff, but I think we can manage. Yeah, I know. Normal GPUs, they run about like 2 trillion times per second. It's like the computers you run on now, those are like their clock speeds are like hold on. Let me try and see. Let me see. Okay. 60 clock speed. Okay. Wait, that's a bit slow actually. It's only a 1320 megahertz. Cause like most GPUs these days have like gigahertz, I think. And 9 clock speed. Okay, let's see this in clock speed. Yeah, it can have 4.8 gigahertz, which that's like how much is gigahertz? That's 4.8 billion times per second. So yeah, this thing's only running 1,000 times per second, so like way slower. But yeah, quite a lot of calculations, you know, quite a lot. I should probably have like a program make this. I made all this myself. I had to do all this like painstakingly by myself, and it was like so. It was those are hard days, hard times, yeah. But that's just how the story goes these days, yeah. I should probably like upgrade this like with a. I think, you know what, I think 1.2K is actually like the limit for now. I just keep this as a limit. But I know I should probably have like 2 separate ones. Okay. So I was really planning on having like one clock speed be like the regular, like the pipeline, and the one be yeah, like I was gonna have one be the pipeline, one be the display controller. So yeah, Anyways, let's make the display controller circuit. Swap register right here. Okay. Wait, hold on. What register was doing this here? 0 done processing. Command doorbell processor register. Rendering buffer. What the heck does that mean? Hold on. Oh right. Busy. This is gonna be our busy register. If the display controller is busy, it'll say busy. If it's not busy. Busy display controller register. Okay. This is our display controller register. It says whether it's busy or not. You know, I'm just gonna destroy this controller register. Yeah. Okay. Set. Reset. Okay. This thing's gonna go to the pipeline, so let's route this back. And then we're gonna. So whenever this thing changes, it should. You know what? I'm gonna actually have like a thing. I'm gonna have it like say whenever it's like, hey, doorbell. Hold on, I was planning on making like a current commands register too, so. Flip flop. Let's make another D flip flop. That's not right. Okay, so it just goes directly into here. 32. So this is just gonna be like the current commands. Doorbell register. Current command register. Okay. I'm gonna call this our processing register. Yeah. Wait, this is stupid. I could just name these. I'm so stupid. I could just label these. What am I doing? And these are automatically centered. What the heck am I doing? Okay, there we go. We have our processing register and the doorbell register. And then we have a, you know what, this thing's gonna be like a copier circuit. I'm not gonna worry about that for now. That's not an input actually. Input 32 bits. Doorbell. Okay. Wait a second. This is gonna be a memory mapped thing, so maybe I should just. Okay, I think I got it now. I'm not gonna make it like. Okay, I'm gonna make it memory mapped IO actually. So let's see what things am I exposing here. Wait. You know what? Actually, for now, let's call this right. Data. You want? You want DTA. Right. DTA. Right. This is gonna be our data. Soon, I'm gonna make it. Soon later, I'm gonna make it memory mapped IO with an address input, but I don't know how much that would be. Address. I just call this D actually D. Okay, now we have our little memory map thingy. Okay. I should probably finish my dinner. Okay. Okay, so next thing we need to do the mechanism for the writing, the display controller write mechanism, I guess. Yeah. Oh, so how are we gonna implement that, you say? But Pacifiky, how are you gonna implement the display controller writing thingy? Yeah. I have my ways. Trust me, I have my ways. Okay. I'm gonna use a counter, or. And the counter circuits are a bit weird on here. I'm gonna be honest with you. The counters are a bit weird. So. I actually made my own counter circuit. Okay, yeah, the counter circuits, I remember, these things are so weird. Like, they glitch out whenever you do stuff with them. So I don't really like using these, but you know what? Actually, whatever. I'm gonna use them for now. Hopefully they fix the stupid weird thing where like glitches out and like destroys your creation. Cause I used this when I was like making the CPU, and back then like it kept breaking. I didn't know why, and then I realized the counter was being weird. So yeah, I hate you. Hate you, stupid counter. Hopefully they fix it by now, but yeah. Okay, this little demux right here, this is gonna be our, I guess. I should probably add more space. Maybe I'm gonna. Right. I'm stupid. There's gonna be another GPU right into this, so. Wait a minute. Wait. Hold on a second. Wait, I might. I just need to switch things around. Hold on. Is there a thing over here that like switches it? Because I just need something to like switch the two inputs around, and I guess not. I guess I'm gonna have to use this then. I could just use a tri-state. Yeah, I could literally just use a tri-state. Wait. Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna make a little switcher. I can call this a little switcher thing. Okay. Have two outputs. Output. So, wait, is this the address? Okay, so this is gonna be 10 bits. Switcher 10. Okay, 10 bits output. Two outputs. Two tri-states each output. Another two tri-states each output. Oh, this kind of bad. Okay, there we go. That is beautiful. Let's organize this a bit. Okay. Wait a second. No, hold on. There we go. Now that's awesome right there. Have two inputs. 10-bit inputs. All right. So when the inputs go to the high, wait, shoot, I forgot to set these. Oops. $10-bit mux. What the flip am I saying? This is not mux. Tri-state, 10-bit tri-state, two 10-bits tri-state, and ooh, that kind of looks bad. I like giving my little circuit space, so there. Okay, input 2. And then we'll just have like something like a little input for like switching. These all have 0. Okay, yeah, they're all 0. So this is gonna be our little switch. D1, D2. Should I call them? Hold on. Wait. Oh, DI. D. Yeah, it is. I have D on my circuit now. DO1. DO2. Okay, now we have our little outputs, input outputs. Okay, so for these first ones, This is actually gonna be a bit hard to do. I'm starting to see what a mistake that I've done. Oh, so these should be like this, and then wait. Okay, I got it. I forgot what I was doing wrong now. Wait, no, that's not right. Shoot, wait. Okay, I connected the wrong things together. That should be like that, and then that should be like that, and then this should be like that. Okay. I connected them wrong. Whoops. What contention? What? What the heck is going on here? Oh shoot, wait, I'm stupid. Whoops. Okay, there we go. So for if it's 0, okay, we're gonna use a NOT gate. NOT. Put it right here. Have it a 0 delay. There. Okay, so it just like switches these two things around. Please work. Please. Please. Speed, I need this. My mama's kind of homeless. I live with my dad, I want to help her out. Okay. There we go. Perfect switching. I'm a genius, guys. I'm such a genius right now. Okay, we have our switcher 10. Let's like compact this a bit. No more title. Make the width smaller. Height smaller. I think that's fine. I'm gonna keep it like that, yeah. Okay, we have a little switcher thing now. I wanna see it. Should I compact this more? I don't know, whatever. Okay. D0 and D1. Okay. Wait, no, that's bad. Wait. Shoot. Okay, that's gonna be a problem. How am I gonna do this? You know what, actually, I'll just... whatever. There, we have our little switcher thing. Swap register output cell in there. And then we have our two inputs, data. D input 1, D input 2. Okay, so... wait, what is this? Wait. Oh wait, this is our swap register. Whoops. That's the wrong one. Okay, so... we're gonna have this counter. The counter is gonna be the second one actually. Counter to 10 bits counter. 0 delay. 0 delay multiplexer. I just like getting rid of the delays because I don't need the delays. I'm like the line does not concern himself with the delay. Okay. What is this? 0. What the is this just like a 0? Why is this? Why does that exist? What was that for? I'm so confused. Okay, well, whatever. We're gonna have this little clock input go into here. Should I separate them? Shoot. Oh, I should probably separate them. Right. Wait, no, I can't. These have to be together. Okay, I'm gonna have our counter be down here. You know what? These things are like built to be like left to right, so I guess I'll have to submit to their flipping stupid design. Okay, I'll just put this thing down here. Okay, we have our counter. And then we can just use our clock right here to... wait. When this doorbell register is rung. Okay, so this processing register, we're just gonna Okay, I just didn't have an input for now, like a button. I'll just have a button to like flip the controller register to like set. I'll just have this button set, I guess. Okay, there. And I should probably like a reset input. Okay, RST. There we go. Wait, this thing should go to a... Okay, you know what? This thing just for testing here. I'll just move this all the way up. Out of the way. Okay. And so we have space. I'm gonna make this line all the way above here. Reset. This is gonna go down to the RAM, frame buffers. Okay, you know what? Yeah, I think that's good. Reset, reset. There, okay, everything resets now. Okay, so once this thing goes up, this thing should initiate the counter. So, these things are like start signal. What should I start signal go to? You know what? Oh, hi, Opti Ice Cream. What's up? Hey. Whoa, what's that? Direct relief. Charity. That's interesting. Hey. I'm making a CPU, a GPU right now. Designing it in this like website that I found. Okay. Like I was like studying like GPU architecture over like some. I was procrastinating my homework for like some time, so now I'm just building it, wasting time. How should I initiate it? Okay. I'll just have this thing be yeah. So I'll just have the controller thing, when it's positive, it'll unlock. Wait, wait, this is the wrong thing. Oops. I'll just have it unlock the little clock thing, so that it'll run. All right. And then once this thing's like reaches 0, this thing should. Hold on a second. Wait. It should like Hold on, I gotta try this out. Hold on. Wait, what the heck? Wait. Oh wait, shoot. Wait, I forgot I had this thing on. No, that's not right. Okay, there. I should attach the reset thing. Okay. Controller 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What is this? I generally don't know what the 0 thing here is for. I don't know what this thing's for. Wait, is this thing just like 1-bit 0? Hold on. What is this for? Why is this on here? It's just a 1-bit 0 and this thing's a 10-bit counter. That's so weird. What? That's astonishing. Oh. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna have this little set SR latch be when the first clock. Okay, this might be a little hacky, but I'm just gonna make it so when the controller and the clock thing runs once, this thing should instantly be on. Actually, has a single delay. And once this is on, it'll activate a circuit that detects whether this thing's 0 or not. So, wait a second, I have a 0. You know You know, I'm gonna have to make my own flipping zero detector circuit again. Okay. 0, 10. Okay. 10 bits. 10 bits. What was that thing again? There's like a... Why does the splitter have a delay? That's so stupid. I hate that everything has a stupid delay. It should in 10 it should be like 1. Like it's, why can't you just have it like be 1? Oh, that's so cool. I've always wanted to like get a soldering thing, but like I like I've soldered like like I don't really own one of those, so I mean I've done it before, but dang, I haven't really touched like electronics in a long time. Okay, I'll keep that in note. I will get one of those one day. Thank you so much. Okay. I think it's this one. Is it this one? I'm being stupid right now. My brain's kind of fried. Oh wait, no, it's this. I'm stupid. Yeah. Okay. Still on pre-order? Dang, looks like I'm gonna have to compete for this one. I wish they had their own like flipping like circuit for these like super mundane tasks. That I have to make my own flipping. I have to do all this just to get like a zero circuit, zero detection, whatever. Life is hard. Yeah, maybe one day. I mean, I've actually hold on. Let me bring out my camera. Hold on a second. I actually have something on my desk right here with a... So, hold on a second. Let me open my camera. Okay, so this is my I was planning on building some of this. Like I have a, I don't know where the other relay went, but I have this relay, a bunch of MPN and PNP transistors. For some reason I got a bunch of PNP transistors, they're like disproportionately larger, like the amount of PNP transistors I have. And I've always wondered why I have like the packs I got, there's like way more PNP transistors than MPN. I have like 2 MPN, so I was trying to make an adder with this, but it kind of fell flat because two MPN transistors to build all that, and I don't know. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work, but whatever. I've always wanted to be able to like is there a way to get like lithography, like get your circuit lithographized or whatever? Because I've always wanted to get my get a circuit on real silicon. Like I know we have like FPGA and all that stuff, but like, oh shoot, wait, oh I'm stupid. I know like we have like FPGA and all that, but like I've always wanted, wait, shoot, wait, what the, oh there we go, okay, that's good. But I just like, I really want to be able to like hold a chip with like a hold a chip with like my circuit on it, instead of like having to put like the FPGA thing and all that. Like and have it go through all that. Like I want my own like little small circuit thing, but I don't know if I'm ever gonna be able to do that. Do you guys know if there's like any way to just like commit like I guess ask or like commission I just want to get like something printed. I just want to get my circuit printed. Like why can't a guy get his circuit printed on like silicon? Oh wait. But like those things are like so expensive. Like I heard they're like all of them are probably like using like these mass production things out of like Intel or whatever. But I just really want like my thing on a silicon. I mean thing on silicon. I hope there's a circuit like I hope there's a service like that. Okay. Oh, zero detector. So one this thing 0 and this thing is. Okay, so this and this. Once those things are good, we're gonna reset the controller register. Okay. This thing will reset the counter. Wait, no, this thing will just turn off the controller register. Where the heck is the reset? Wait. This thing has 2 resets. What the heck? Okay. Oh, what? Okay, there we go. Now we have a little circuit, I guess. Okay, counter. Okay, I'm gonna have to do something. Wait, I could just use shifts. I was originally thinking of like making like a divider circuit and all that, but I can just use shifts. I'm stupid. 10. Wait, no. 10, 5, 5. Okay, boom. Now we have our coordinates. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Okay. This is gonna go straight to the little screen right here. You know, they have a cap on how much you can zoom out on here, and I find that so stupid. Like, why do you restrict us? Why do you restrict our zooming out amount? That's like literally 1984, guys. Literally 1984. Is row X? I think that's X. Row, column. Oh shoot, oops. Why can't they just make it XY? Why is it row and column? I haven't heard a single person use row and column for this kind of stuff, but whatever. Whatever. You can do what you want. Circuitverse. I have a love-hate relationship with this stupid with this website, because like it's so unstable, but also like it's like the only option I got. It's like the best option on the market, so I don't really have a choice. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, 1. Oh no, wait, no, it didn't work. Wait, that's weird. That's so weird. What? Hold on, that's so weird. Oh right, this thing. Oops, forgot to get the delay off there. Oh, this thing should also reset this. Wait, I'm stupid. Yeah, I know Lotusim evolution is good, but like I need to use this on like another device that just can't get like Lotusim on it, so I have to use I just like to do things like, okay, I'm sorry. I have Lotusim evolution on my computer. Hold on. Yeah, I have Lotusim on my computer, just I I've been like using this for all my circuits already, and also like I have a device that can't get logistic evolution on it, so I just use this, I guess. There we go. There. I don't know what happens if I put this to 0. Will it still work? Oh, it just doesn't work. Okay. Wow. Okay, there. 1. What? Wait, what happened? Oh, wait, I'm stupid. Wait, I'm stupid. I didn't press the controller. Whoops. Oh, wait, this still works? Wait. Wait, what the? Okay, oh, I guess it still works then. Okay. Maybe that's like some internal processing, cause whatever. I think, wait. Hold on a second. What the? It just said that, it just showed that you sent an empty message. What? Is this supposed to be like that? That's so weird. I don't know what's going on here. Hold on. Hold on. Let me just open up my little screenshot right here. What the? Why is it like that? Hold on. Okay, there we go. Yeah, see? Look, this is what I see. It looks like there's like nothing there. I don't know what's going on there. Whatever. Okay. Okay, so this thing should increment all the way up. You know what? I just gonna I just add a clock here. Wait a second. Wait, does this automatically add a clock input? Am I being? Wait, you click on the clock and it does not. Wait, I didn't know you could do that. Wait, that's interesting. I didn't know you had that. Dang. Okay. Well, okay. I guess I'll just have a clock thing right here. I thought I would add the clock input to it. That's so weird. I thought I would like I remember seeing somewhere that this would add like a clock input to the thing, but I guess not. 50 milliseconds. Okay. So I don't know how long this is gonna take, but yeah, it'll take some time. Wait a second, I have this thing right here. I could just use this. This might be a bit too fast, but okay, let's see how this turns out. Please don't die. Yeah, look at that. There we go. Yeah, it's working. See? Hey! That is awesome right there. That's awesome. It's working. Let's go. Okay, we have our little controller circuit right here. Finally. That was easier than I thought, actually. Wow. Okay. I wish, well, this thing should have an overflow. If it overflows, it should. Hold on a second. I should probably have a. This is wait, why did I make this? I could just make like my own adder circuit and just. Hold on. Wait. It's 10 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could just use a constant. What am I doing? And then 10 bits. Sum should be 0 and the carry should be. I could have just used that. What am I doing? I could have just used that. What the flip? You know what? Actually, you know what? Hold on. Let me think. If I use the carry thing, that would mean it would be reset back to 0. Wait. You know what? I'll just add a note for that. I already made all this. Maybe a custom counter. Because of okay, I'll add this little note here. But it works. Hey. Yeah, okay. How much is 10? Wait, what's this thing supposed to be connected to? Hold on. Oh, this, okay, my bad. Okay, so we're gonna have a, okay, so we have a switcher thing right here for the address, and then we're gonna have another multiplexer 24-bit. This is gonna be our color input, right? And it's gonna be for D1. Wait a minute, I don't need this. I'm stupid, I don't even need these. I just need this for the flipping, I just need this for the right. I'm sorry. Okay, 2 goes to here. I can just connect the 2 data in and move it out here. This is a bit weird, the clock thing right here. I just can move all this under, actually. I move under the circuit. Maybe that'll give us space, because I was planning on making the other thing above. Wait, no. Actually, yeah. Actually, it's already gonna be like obstructed by this stuff, but whatever. Okay, let's move it all the way up here. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Now we're gonna make our little command register, I guess. Hold on. Okay, so we're gonna have a single data input for like for the pipeline. That's the only thing that's gonna be writing stuff. And then we're gonna have this thing, which is gonna be our little write command, and that's gonna be let me check the swap register. What should I make? I'm thinking. Is this? Wait. Okay, you know what? This is actually fine. I can just do this. Wait. Yeah. I could just do this. Data in. Okay. I got it, guys. I got it. We're doing this. Oh, I should probably put these below, actually. Wait. No, shoot. Okay. What the fuck am I doing? Okay, we need like a little rendering. The pipeline. It's not gonna be a real pipeline, but it's just like something for testing. So, address input. Okay. It looks a bit of a mess, but it works. Well, it should work. Sorry about that. I'm eating. So I'm just trying to make like a thing that just, I guess, like writes makes it like square. How can I do that? I should you know what? I'm gonna make a command for swapping. Wait. Hold on a second. Wait, I could just use this. Wait, am I stupid? Okay, you know what? Once this thing is... I think I'm being stupid. Hold on a second. I think there's another sequential thing for like swapping. I think it's just flip-flop. Can you just get a flip-flop? T. What the flip is T? Hold on. Input. What? Wait. Huh? Hold on, should this thing get power? Kind of forgot my flip-flops. There we go. Okay, there. This is the thing I need. I think that's the only like actual flip-flop thingy. What are these? D flip-flop. What? What was a JK flip-flop? Hold on. Oh, wait. I'm starting to remember now. Okay, I get it. This is gonna be our swap thing, so whenever it receives the clock signal, it'll swap. And yeah. Okay, swapping right now. Okay, so I think whenever this thing is pressed, it's gonna swap the register too. And then yeah, it's like toggling, I guess. Oh no, I didn't connect it. Shoot. Reset. Boom. There we go. I think that's good now. Okay, so this thing should instantly swap once this thing is pressed. And then okay, so once it's set, wait a second, hold on. So it should swap the buffer, and then it should unlock the clocks, and then wait, no. Wait a sec. Shoot. Oh no, I forgot what I was doing. Wait. Oh wait, no, that's fine. Wait, I'm stupid. Wait. Hold on. Because I forgot this thing was asynchronous. So this thing should just... I don't really need a tri-state on there. Okay. Give me a second. Sorry. So how should we implement this? You know what, I can just have a color input. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna have to make my own like command thing right here, so bear with me. So I'm gonna have a little color register which just like takes the color in. And this thing is gonna be set by command. How long should I make the command? Oh shoot, wrong one. Color. This thing is gonna control all the color on the thingy, so. Boom, color register set. And then we'll have this right thing which just cycles through. And then after the thing's done, it will activate the controller register and all that and swap it. Wait a minute. I might be, hold on. Oh right, I was gonna make like a whole independent command for the swapping, so. Give me a second. Okay, so I need like a command register for that. Well, I have like I heard like the with the was it not eSIM ooh, there's like like the thing that you put in your computer, like the place where like the RAM things go in the GPU. What is it called? Those like rail something. Oh, I gotta search this up. What is the port where you put GPU or RAM to the? Oh, it's PCIe. I'm stupid. Okay, so the PCIe things, they have their own like they have this thing called like rail, but okay, so they have like different sectors of places for like the memory map. So like the first sector of to use like a GPU should usually be like the controls. So like, oh shoot, I need to plug in my computer. Oh no. Okay. Oh, VRAM? I was actually planning on like adding a VRAM to this, like to like store the. Oh wait, this is the instructions thing. Hold on. What is... Okay, how do we indicate as done drawing? How much instruction should I put on there? Well, I need to sort this up. NVIDIA command buffer size. Let's see this. Print buffers. Kilobits. Kernel argument. Man, I swear, am I being stupid right now? I swear there was like a certain buffer that oh right, it's called bars. I'm stupid. Like the bar thing in the PCIe. I swear, I think I'm stupid. OpenCL, constant buffer size. I think this is it. I think that's it. Well, this is gonna be a small thing, so I just You know what? I'm gonna make it. Okay, I'm gonna make it like a flipping specification somewhere. Let's like add a text. Okay, we're gonna have to make our own arguments now. Let's go. 2x. Oh. So we're gonna have different commands. Okay. Spec. Okay. What should the command spec be? You know what? I have 8 bits commands. Bit command plus 24-bit argument, just so that we can like load call their immediates. And also we're gonna have like function things for like other things if they require functions. So yeah. Okay. Wait. Oh no, I have to do a stupid. No, I want to do a memory map. Man, please, speed. I don't want to do a memory map. Please, speed. Okay. Oh wait, this is the thing I was making. Oh right, okay, I'm gonna need 2 buffers for this. Hold on. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Do I really need 16 bits? But that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. Ooh, 1 megabyte. Should I have 1 megabyte on this? No, you know what? Actually, I'll just keep it at 16 for now. I'll just keep it at 16. Yeah. So this is gonna be our little command buffer right here. Okay, hold on. I swear. I need to search this up. What is GPU command buffer? Yeah, okay, I wasn't being stupid. Hold on. I wasn't being stupid. Yeah, see? Pre-record list of batch graphics or compute commands. Yeah. So like the flipping like OpenGL has turned into the it's turned to like the NVIDIA thing. Yeah. Yeah, see? Boom. Okay. That's what I'm talking about right there. Okay. Okay, so let's make a swap mechanism. I have another swapper, but it's gonna have to be like. That's gonna be 16-bit. I'm gonna make a switcher 16, I guess. Address. Switcher 16. Okay, 16 bits. Whatever. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Why does it confirm when you like lose focus? That's so stupid. Oh my gosh. Goodness gracious. This is like the times when I want to go into source code and just change it, because some of like the stuff are just so like the user experience on the site is just so bad sometimes. So yeah. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. But that's alright, because I like the way you lie. Oh, no, it's love the way you lie. Okay, we have our other switcher now. Wahoo. Okay, switcher 16. You're gonna go over here. And, yeah. Okay, these are gonna be our command. I'm gonna make a halt command. Wait. Oh shoot, wait, this thing should go here. Text. Command buffer. Boom. You have our command buffers. Yes. Yes, sir. And then we'll have a multiplexer. No, wait, shoot. I just realized I'm gonna need another switcher, cause like it's gonna need reading, cause sometimes it's gonna be needed. Sorry. Because it might need to be like read by the CPU, so I guess I'll have to implement that too. Well, life is hard, guys. Life is truly hard. I wish I could just like There's a button I could press and just replace all this stuff. Like, why can't we like implement like a variable, like bit with bit variable that could change like the, like why can't we like add our own custom fields? I should probably add that. I should probably add like a custom fields feature. That'd change everything. So like automatically adjusts the bit width. That'd be so cool. I should add that if I ever contribute this. I should add that. Yeah. Easy keys 11 squeezy. Wow. Oh shoot, what the, no. Switch of 32. Also, why don't they have a flipping, they use the native they use the native like prompt API. Why can't they make their own like prompt thing? Like they already have the insert circuit thingy, so why can't they make their own prompt? I should implement that. There's so many like cool features. Okay, I'm pretty sure like 90% of the people who like work on this can contribute to this. They never actually used the service before, cause like a lot of them are like, I went onto their flipping Slack, and say, hey, these are some cool features, and there's some guy like, can you approve PR number whatever 6767? Like it's. Like they just don't listen to the users. I'm a user, and they don't listen to me. I swear, these people are probably just doing all this with a flipping resume, not knowing there's actual users. There's actual users that actually use the platform. I swear. I'm sorry. I need to calm down. I think it's another swap register for these things. I need to cool off. It's okay, Pacifiky, calm down. Calm down, Pacifiky. I just have all these like inputs be right here. Reset. Boom. Boom. Okay, now the delays are good. Alright. What? Why is it? Okay, sometimes the undo is a bit weird. I don't know why it does that. Okay, there. We have our data out and our data out too. So we're gonna need like to make a whole decoder thing. This is gonna be like my RISC CPU, GPU. Sorry. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be, you know what, I just need integers. You know what, no. No opt. I should make one. Oh wait, I could just make a, oh wait, set color. Set color. arg1. This is gonna set the color register. Okay, L12. Draw rectangle. arg1. Wait a minute, no, shoot. Oh wait, no, I'm stupid. Wait, no, yes, wait, this works. So arg110, that's gonna be the first coordinate. Should I make this length? Should I make it like the starting coordinate and then length and width, or should I make it like start and end? You know, who the heck uses start and end? You're weird if you start and end. Okay. A reset frame buffer instruction? Yeah, I'll add that. Hold on. Oh wait, no, hold on. Wait. 2, 3, 1, halt. Okay, 1 ends. You know what, this is just gonna end the, oh wait, no, I should make a flipping busy. Um. Okay, so this thing swap available. Cause I'm like VSync and that's so cool. Arc10. This should be coordinates. Oh wait. I could just wait. Why am I calling it arg1? I could just do coordinates. Coordinates 10. No, I'm stupid. Color 24. Size 10. And I just have like 4 bits left for whatever. You know what? I have the extra 4 bits be like function. Func1. So it's gonna be like a function. I'm gonna have 3 be like draw. Zero, I guess. Rectangle. Maybe I'll add circle in the future. Line. Circle. Okay. Now we have the func1 specification. Func1 spec. Okay, there we have our there. Okay. Hold on. Okay, I see like a reset frame buffer. That's. I'm trying to see if that actually like be a thing that I would want. Cause like. Oh. Wait, no, you got a point here. You got a point. I'm gonna have a reset for reset pack buffer. Okay, so what for does is gonna reset the drawing buffer. So we just have something that just resets it, I guess. Wait a minute. Oh wait, I did use a multiplexer. Okay, demux. This is gonna be like a. So. Wait a minute. Oh wait, okay, I see. Okay, I forgot. I think I know how to do this. Sorry, I'm a bit tired today. Give me a second. So this is gonna need a bit space. So move that up. Get rid of that. I guess I'll just nah. Okay, I just have it like this. Go like that. And then add another OR down here. Like that. And then we can have whatever the drawing buffer is, which is gonna be controlled by that. And this should go to the OR. So whenever this thing is on, it should reset the frame buffer, drawing buffer at least. Thank you for giving me that idea, Lucas. You're awesome. By the way, my name's also Lucas, so we can be Lucas buddies, whatever. Yeah. Okay. I think we have a good command specification right here. Okay, so let's just make a thing that reads it. DO1. Okay, I just have. Okay, DO2 is gonna be our little reading thing, and then we have D2 be the address for it. Okay. Should I have jumps? Hold on a second. Give me a second. Hold on. Do GPUs have jump? In bands. Oh, you have branch. Okay, I guess I'll add branching then. You know what? I'll add that later. I don't need the branch instructions by right now. I'll just have 5 GMP. Wait a second. How large are these? These are 16 bits. So I can make different types of jumps. Hold on. Wait, that's awesome. Okay, jump, funk 1. That's gonna be funk 1. How much? 16. Okay, we're gonna have another 8 bits for the funk 1. So maybe we have like a bunch of different jumps. And then we have a 16-bit address. Well, I mean, this is gonna be different. Okay, whatever. Okay, so funk 1 spec 0 immediate 1. Maybe I could add conditional jumping. You know what? I don't feel like doing that right now. This thing doesn't have registers, so I'll just have this right now. Hold on. Hold on. Is NVIDIA command GPU ISA public? Oh dang it! Oh. They don't have their flipping. They don't release anything about their ISA. They just give it to the manufacturers. Dang it! I mean, hold on, wait. There was an open source CPU ISA. I swear, there's one that was open source. RV. Oh wait, no, wait. AMD did make one. Oh, hold on. AMD General Compute major redesigns. Yeah, AMD released like a public release of their GPU ISA. So yeah, okay. I still have to just have to start reading, and then we'll have our own custom counter, I guess. Counter. I'm just gonna steal this from my CPU circuit because I already have all that. Okay, give me the counter. Counter. Okay. I have to like switch this to 16-bit, but whatever. Wait, hold on, counter. Where the heck is the counter? Where is it? Look at that mess. It's so fucking bad. Look at this. This is so. What? This is like chaos right here. I don't know what I've been doing. Oh, what is this? What are these? Wait. Oh right, I had to make my own custom like program counter thing with all this stuff for it. So it like process instructions for like branching and like. Cause I did have like super scalar stuff on here, and like different fetching and all that, and, like pipeline. There's like so much complicated stuff that I just added to this. Okay. I guess I'll just copy the counter thing over here. Okay, let's check this out. So, what does this thing do? So this thing just... What does this do? Oh, okay. Okay, this chooses whether it like stores a jump address to it. Okay. Wait, what is this? Wait. Hold on. What is this? Oh, it's like to change like the different adding. Huh. I'm not gonna be needing that. Why did I even have that in the original one? Man, I have no clue. Okay, what? It might be useful. And I have a reset. So reset this thing, clock, whatever, counter. Now has 0 delay. Yep, 0 delay. I'm just gonna like do a bit of housekeeping for this thing. Boom. Okay, out. And then there. Okay, boom. We have successfully created our program counter. So, well, I mean, my custom designed program counter, because I'm so cool. Yeah. Okay, whatever. This is good. Okay, let's insert our counter into here. I think it would just... What the heck is... Whoa. Okay, this is a bit weird. What is this? Okay, you know what, whatever. Store, value, add. Okay, I think this will be better. Okay, that's a better look. Okay, so the clock, when the doorbell register is rung, it will... Wait a minute. Wait. Should I make something that like... I think I should make like an... What was I originally planning on this? Hold on a second. Okay, there was supposed to be like a command. Wait a minute. Oh, okay, I remember. So the doorbell register is gonna have two modes, in a way. So the first mode is gonna be executed when... Hold on. Splitter. Uh, 32 bits. 2. Okay. Decoder. 2 bits decode. Okay, boom, we have our little decoder right here. And then... Okay, so, 0, no operation. 1, operation. 2. Okay, so what... I should probably make a spec for this. Okay, doorbell spec. Okay, so this is just like commands. 0, no op. 1, doorbell flip. 2, doorbell. Okay, so like 1 is gonna be like a... If you wanna like... What the flip am I doing? Hold on. Wait, why the flip would someone write it with no off? What are... Wait, I don't need this. Hold on, I can just set this as... No op is... I don't need no op. 1, 0, 1. Cause there's not gonna be a no op at all. It's just gonna be like... It's gonna be based off whether it's written to. Okay. Splitter. 32 bits, 1. Okay, I'll just have the first bit be this, the thing. Deciding factor, I guess. Alright. So... when halt is gotten, it should reset this. So, but whatever. Let's add to reset. And then output should be, okay, the clock. Have the clock just come over here. Hold on, I mean, okay, I don't know exactly if this is exactly how like the CPUs run and all that, but I mean the GPUs. I don't know exactly if this is how the GPUs work, but it's how I'm gonna make it work. If it works, it works, you know? If it works, it works. What is this? Oh, this is the data input. Okay. Oh wait, this is the color register. Color. Okay. Color register. Okay. And then we're gonna have to like decode it somehow. Okay, I see. I'm seeing now. Okay, this output is gonna be. Wait, should I make it? Okay, D2 is gonna be. Oh, I forgot this thing was 8-bit. I'm gonna need to change that. Change it to 16. 16. 16. 16. 16. 16. 16 and 16. Okay, this should work now. What the heck? Wait, why is it not working? Oh, wait, it didn't confirm? Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's all. What? Hello? Okay, there we go. I don't know what's going on there. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. But that's alright because I love the way you lie. Love the way you lie. I used to be obsessed with that song when I was like 10 years old. Okay. Clock should go here. Okay, boom. We have our little. What the flip is? What? That's weird. I don't know why this thing is like the engine is so weird like that. The engine does like weird things like that. I don't know. Okay. Counter. Reset. And then we have a. I'm gonna make an OR, so it resets once it's halted. Okay. Okay. Oh no, this should be before. Okay. We did it. Wait, these should go to the. Wait a minute. Oh, what the flip? Okay, that's not right. Whoa, okay, whoops. I was trying to make a unified, like, place for, no, I'll just move these forward, whatever. These move forward. Okay, so this is gonna be like the place where we have all the like memory map stuff. I'm gonna have a data output. Okay. 32-bit. Should I make the color register? I I'm sorry. Should I make the color register readable? You know, I'm gonna make it memory accessible actually. I'm gonna add this to a memory accessible. I'm gonna memory of it actually. I think it just like add to the coolness of this GPU. Seems so cool. Okay, DL, data in. Okay, this is gonna be our reader. Move this all back. Okay, so we're gonna need to like make something that reads all this stuff right here. Okay. Splitter, let's split it to the different parts. 30, 32, 8, 24. Okay. So I'm just gonna split this thing further. Split 8. How much commands are there? Hold on a second. 1, 2. Okay, there's like 5. There's 5. Well, for now there's gonna be 4, because I'm not gonna add it. The jump is gonna be added later. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8. That's 3 bits. Okay. Let's decode that. 4 bits. Oh shoot, that's not right. Wait, I think I did too much. Okay. 8, 2. Okay, there. Boom. You have our. Okay. Okay, so you have a little thing right here. One is gonna be and this is gonna be connected to our. This is gonna be reset. This is gonna reset the thing, and then it's gonna unset the doorbell register. Hold on, the processing register actually. You want? Wait, I should have. Wait. Hold on a second. So you should reset the clock, and then it's not work anymore. Am I being stupid? Hold on a second. Alright, whatever. I'll just make the other ones. Set color register. So 2 set color register. Yeah, okay. So 2, you're gonna set the color register. Whoa, that's crazy. Okay. Color register. Have the argument. The parameters. You know what, I'm gonna have it go above. And no, actually this is weird. No, wait. Hold on a second. I don't like this. I wish I could have. You know, actually, I'm gonna make it go above. Actually, above and beyond. So it's gonna be just go to the straight to the color thing right here. And whenever it's updated, whenever 2 is pushed, it should update the color. Boom. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Ooh, that's not right. Okay, I'm gonna move this all forward a bit. Yeah. Okay, 3. 3 is gonna be our reset frame buffer. To black. Wait, I'm stupid. I just realized how crucial that thing was. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay, wait, no, I'm mixing it. Never mind. Wait. Wait, I could just use the preset and then reset it instead of all this like complicated storage. Okay, well, it is what it is. Whatever. You can't change the past. Okay, the color. Oh, it's also an inverse. Whoa, I didn't know that. Wow. Okay, I didn't know that had like just like inverse on the D flip-flop thing. Interesting. Okay. So we're gonna have a cube. Not a cube. Wait. So it's gonna have to be able to pause the clock when it's doing this, cause the drawing all that is gonna take quite some time. Quite some time. So I'm gonna have to pause the clock a bit. Wait a minute. I could just make it all like parallel. Hold on a second. I could just like wait. Yeah, I could just make all. I'll just add another. Wait, no. Then it would just no. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to pause the clock. Cause I was thinking I was be able to like make a. I don't know how you do parallel, like processing on here. I don't know how that would work, but whatever. Reset. Okay, this is gonna be where the reset signal goes. Right here. It's where the address thing is going. So. And then the data in. Alright, okay, so how are we gonna do this? Wait. Oh, wait, I don't need this. Hold on, wait. Oh shoot, wait, that's not the. Oh no, I'm not gonna have a. Wait, hold on. Actually, 8, 3. 3, 4. 4 is the reset back. Okay, I'm stupid. So sorry. 1 goes down there. 2 is the color thing. What the? Wait, what the fuck happened there? Okay, 2 goes like this. I'm just gonna move these up inch by inch, little by little. Okay, I think this is good. And then we're gonna have this thing is gonna be 4, so it resets the frame buffer. And then 3 is gonna draw the. Ooh, that's gonna be hard. I'm gonna have to draw a flipping square. So. Okay, so how would I do that? Hold on a second. Oh, okay. So this thing right here should, like, I'm trying to think. Think. Okay, so the starting address and then the ending address and then. Oh, okay, I got it. I got the idea. My idea will work. Add a splitter. Splitter. This thing should be 24, 4, 10, 10. Okay, the for function, 10, 10, whatever. For now, I just make this draw only squares. I mean, not squares, rectangles. But yeah, okay, so this is gonna be our x, starting y. Maybe one day I can make this run too. One day. Well, one day. Okay. So when this thing is triggered, 3, it's gonna stay at 3. So this is gonna be used for. I'm gonna have to like iterate between this and then this, split it apart. Oh, splitter. 32, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, there. Now I have the different x and y values, so we can like concatenate them together. Wait. What? Wait, this. Oh shoot. 24, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this is that's gonna be a little instruction thing, which is gonna default to. I'm just not gonna have it do anything for now, because we don't haven't implemented all that stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna just make it assume that the x, the y, what am I saying? Whoa, that's not right. Oops. Okay. So it's gonna increment this until it equals that plus this. Increment. Wait a minute, I can just increment this amount of times. Wait. Okay, I see. I'm seeing the vision now. Okay, so we have a register. D flip-flop. Right, that's no. Flip-flop. We're gonna have this set, we're gonna have 2 of these. Okay, so this is gonna be, so we're gonna have one of these for the y. It's gonna be incremented down. I mean, it's gonna be incremented down until it reaches 0. And then we're gonna have one for the x, which gets incremented down until it reaches 0. Wait, counter. I should probably make a decrementer. Yeah. Hold on. I could just make a decrementer circuit. Alright. Have the input. Decrementer 5. A 5-bit input. And then reset. Okay, flip-flop. D flip-flop right here. Have another clock signal. CLK. Alright. ST. PST. Okay, this is gonna be our preset right here. This is gonna go straight into the preset thing right here. Boom. And then boom. There we go. It's gonna be 5. And then we have the clock signal go right here. Boom. We are so good. Okay. Let's see here. Oh wait, no. The preset should. Wait, no, I'm good. Hold on. Yeah, I'm good. Okay, so adder. Add an adder. Add an adder. What the flip? Okay. Add an adder. Sorry. Constant. Add a constant. So this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think. Wait. Oh wait, no, I'm stupid. I forgot. Wait. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay. Wait. No, this is right. Hold on. Okay. So it decrements itself. Should decrement itself now. If I plug it in right here. Yeah. Okay. There. We made a decrementer. Wahoo! Easy as pie. Easy as flipping pie. Okay. Maybe there's a better way to do this. I don't know. Maybe move all these in. That compact it as much as I can. Whoa! Oh shoot, that's not right. Okay, there we go. Now it's like compacted. Okay, we are so cool. We just, wow. Okay, this thing should be good now. So it just decrements itself. Oh wait, no, I need an output. I'm stupid. Okay, output. 5-bit output. Down. Alright. Hey, we did it! Yeah! Wahoo. We're so good. We're so Sigma, guys. We're so Sigma. Okay. Okay, let's change the circuit now. RC clock. I can make this all like compact together like that, and then have this be the output. No more title. Like that. Okay. I think this is fine. It's a little box. Okay. Increment decrementer 5. Wahoo. Oh shoot, wait, oops. So this, wait a minute. No. Okay, this thing should be like that. No. Okay, wait a second. I could just decrease the height one more time. But it looks a bit crowded, so. You know what? I'll just keep it like this. Whatever. Actually, wait. RC clock. I think this is good, actually. Just for the needs of our, needs of our thing. I think this is a preset. No, it's a reset. Oh my goodness, that rhymes. What the flip? Oh. Okay, let's move down here. Preset right there. And then preset right here. Alright, okay, so this thing should be set to that specific one, and this should be incremented decremented every time. And then if it's all zeros, why isn't there a thing that says that whether it's 0 or not? Gosh. Okay. Well, I'm gonna make my own 0 dector again. Okay, Z5. Copy all this. Paste all this. Make this 5. Make this 5. splitter 5 whittle down. Whoa, what the wait, this is a bit weird. I don't know. Shoot. Oops. Okay, I don't think we need these. And then how should I don't like that it has like something in the middle. I don't like that. Okay, well, whatever. Okay, this is better. I like this. Oh shoot, no. Oops. We have successfully created our little. Does it have a delay? Yes, it does. Okay. We have a zero detector. Okay, Z5 should be really small. I'm so tired, guys. I'm so tired. You know what? Well, listening to. Hold on. On YouTube. Hold on. Does anybody know what rules? Alright. I accidentally played one. It's 12:45 a.m. for you? I think you should probably you should probably go to bed now. Wait, there's a jigsaw, I don't know how to pronounce. Gexor. I don't know how to pronounce it, but like you guys have read it. That's so Sigma. I think I'll join this Reddit. That's cool. Okay. Well. Oh wait, you guys can't even hear if I listen to it. I can just listen to this stuff without you hearing it. Wow. Okay. Well, I have my own private music on now, so whatever. Okay, zero detector. Works. And then I'm gonna expand this a bit more. Wait a minute, I could just hold on. Just make an output for if it's zero or not. There we go. Out. That is so Sigma. Okay. Boom. It's a bit messy, but it works, I guess. Okay, so when this thing is zero, it should I think hold on. I think this should increment this. I mean decrement it. Hold on, is that the clock input or yeah, that's the clock input. That should hold on. I guess it just isn't because it doesn't want to. What if I just do this? Okay, button. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna get SR latch, so. Wait, is it? Oh, SR flip flop, not SR latch. So whenever it's. So whenever it needs to draw something, it gets set just so it can do all the initial work. And it gets reset on the next clock cycle. Hold on. Actually, I'll just set it when it's doing this stuff. So, okay, I'm gonna have an SR flip flop for halting the. Halting it. Can I make it enable disable? So if I disable this input, if I disable it, it won't run anymore. What? Wait, this. Hold on. Okay, there we go. There. Okay, we got it. So I'm just gonna have this disable thing. This and we're gonna have an enable thing right there, so okay, boom. Okay, so this thing should be not this. So not okay, so whenever this thing is not set, it should, yeah, this is like our little disable. Okay. I guess, what should I call this? Stall. Call the stall. Or stall register. So I guess this thing would only be connected to one thing for now, which is this, this thing, so. Wait a minute. What happens if, hold on, SR input, what if I just add 2? Oh, hi Zephyr. Thank you so much. I'm just trying to figure out this stupid mechanic. I forgot how the SR latch worked. So, man. So whichever one that you push first, it won't do the next one. That's a bit weird. Okay. So this is gonna be our, I guess. I'm gonna need something that like only have this thing on one clock cycle. Oh. Wait, hold on. And this is actually, I need to. I'm trying to think of a way to just have something on for one clock cycle after after being instructed to do this. Maybe cause I need this thing to like. Oh, okay. I my brain. I don't think it's gonna. I don't think it might not work if I. Cause I just need one clock cycle and then, so okay, this is gonna be hard to do. Oh shoot, this thing has a delay. Oh goodness. Maybe if I if I no. Oh goodness. So it needs to go. Oh, okay, I got it. Okay. Now I'll have a not thing, so as soon as this thing is turned off, then it will, as soon as the clock is off, like on the, it will reset this. Okay, I'm a genius, guys. I'm such a genius. Okay. So this thing will be off. This thing will be only on for one clock cycle. So it should stall. This thing should set the stall. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is a mess. I need to organize this better. Okay. Okay. This will control the stall. And then... Wait, there's an inverse? Hold on. This thing automatically just has an inverse for it. Huh. Wait. Maybe I probably don't need that, but... Oh, I just noticed. Interesting. Okay, so reset up there. And this thing should only be on for one clock cycle. You know, set the stall, and then have some reset the stall when the thing is done. Oh, okay, I got it. So once this thing reaches 0, wait. This thing's already. Oh, I'm gonna have to do like 3 ands and 3 input and. Because this needs to be off. Not. This thing needs to be off, so we can't execute on the first clock. And then this needs to be on, right? And then this also needs to be on. Okay. That's a... This is gonna be a bit weird. Oh shoot, that's not right. Oops. Okay, this off, this also off. This is a bad place. I should probably do this better, in a better place. Shoot, what the heck is going on here? Oops. Oh, okay, there we go. I'm just gonna put this like down here. What is that? Wait, that's not the... Oh, that is the enable. Q reverse stall. And then this is gonna be the reset. Whoa. Okay, I don't know what it did there, but up there, and then into the reset. Boom. Stall. This thing right here should be also reset with a reset thing. Okay. I should probably also reset this door over just with the reset thing. I'll just have everything be reset, yeah. Enable preset. Okay, so this thing needs to be on. On, that's off. Wait a minute, hold on. I think I'm being stupid right here. So this needs to be off. Wait. No, this needs to be on. Oh my goodness, I'm being so stupid right now. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so, and then this needs to be 0. So... Okay, boom. I think we have this. I think this is our reset thing. So if it's finished, which is when it's decremented all through the Y size, it should be 0. Wait. Okay, so this thing should also like preset though. Hold on, wait. Okay, I gotta test this out first. But this thing should reset it to this value right here. And well, I'm just gonna use a button. Let's try this out. Wait, why is it resetting instantly? That's weird. Oh right, because this thing is 0. Input. If we just set this to not 0. 5 bits. Okay, there we go. Now the stall is just fine. And then I don't think I need this. This might. Maybe I don't. Hold on. I'm just gonna try it without. Try this out. Okay. 0 delay. Reset everything. Try it out now. Oh wait, it works. Oh, I guess I didn't need all that then. Okay. So if it's not the first, whoa, what the heck? Okay, if it's not the first execution of this, the first clock cycle after the command, it'll check if this thing is 0, if the Y is 0, if it is, then it will reset. Okay, it'll turn off the stall. Move on to the next instruction. I got it. We're good. Okay, so, but whenever this thing is 0, this thing should increment that, but also reset it. Oh no, wait. Oh no, wait, I just realized that's... Oh wait, no. Wait. Okay, I might be being stupid right here. Okay, so when this is 0, it should preset it to this thing. And then... Oh, wait. Wait a minute, this thing... Hold on. It's gonna switch... Okay, I might need to have a buffer, just so that it will wait for all this stuff to propagate before resetting to 0. Before executing the clock on here. Okay, have a 1 delay. Have this be the clock. Where the heck is the clock? clock line. That's the clock line, okay. So it'll reset after, so it'll, hold on. Wait, is this, the reset is asynchronous. So, wait, if I just, oh wait, it is asynchronous. I don't need the clock. Oh, I'm stupid. Okay. So if it's asynchronous, and if as soon as it's 0, it'll preset, it'll just like preset to whatever this is. And then it'll increment down whenever the clock is ticking. The clock strikes 12. Midnight arrives. I'm sorry. Goodness. Okay. What happens if we do this? Well, if I have the clock on and then I turn off the reset. Okay, that means that's fine then. Okay, there. I think we're good. So it should decrement every time and then it should reset. Okay. And then every clock should. Yeah, okay, I think I got it. Yeah. Okay, let's start the decremation. Or ah, goodness, wait, I should make this a counter, right? Counter. Oh, wait. Sorry, I didn't see your messages, Lucas. My bad. The top end of the counter is the max value. It should go in 8 bits. It could go to 32-bit though. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. That's 5 bits. So. Oh no! Wait, no. This thing doesn't. Oh goodness. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a incrementer 5 now. I guess. The incrementer 5. Let's paste it down there. And I could just, okay, constant. Wait a minute, I'm stupid. I could just make this a flipping power. I could just set this to 5-bit power, and this should work. Yeah, okay, wait, I could just done that, I'm stupid. Constant though. Constant 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this should reset to the preset. There, okay, there we go. Awesome. And then it should increment that many times. Okay, I think we're good. I think we're good, guys. Let's just gotta change this thing right here. What the heck? Holy cow, this thing's I don't know what the heck went on there, but reset, output 0. Turn off title, decrease the height, decrease the width. It looks like a mess, but it works. Okay. The incrementer 5 now. I'm gonna increment. So on first, this thing should set this. I'm gonna set the Y to. Oh my! There's so little space on here. Holy cow! I should. There we go. And this should be reset here as well. Wait a minute, I could just, hold on. So the Y value should be, no, wait. Okay, this is, I think I'm doing it. Okay. I think that's how it should go. Yeah. Okay. So, well, I'm gonna need way more space than this. Holy cow. Yeah. Move it all back. And then move this stuff back. Alright, okay. So at the Y, X, this thing should be reset to the X value. When should this thing be reset to the X value? When this is 0, I'll just have it reset as soon as they should change at the same time, yeah. This is propagate at the same time, so I'm not worried about that, but hold on a second. Wait, I'm gonna try this. Input. Hold on. Constant. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there, we have a little 24 bits thingy. And this thing should be oh no, it's not set. What? Wait, why isn't it set? That's weird. Wait. Oh no, wait, why didn't... Oh goodness. I don't think it like went there in time, so. You know what, I'm gonna have a buffer. Just so that it could also reset that one. Happy 1 second. 1 whatever. I don't, no, 1 unit. Whatever. 1 unit. Okay, let's try that again. And then we could just put it right here. And it should be reset back to... Boom! Okay, we're good. We are awesome. You're good. Okay, so it gets the X and then the Y too. Right, correct? As soon as this thing is clicked, it should get the Y, but okay, I think we got it. I think we're good with this. I just need to like decrement. Okay, that's controlled by the clock though. The clock should also increment this one, and then once this thing reaches 0, it will reset, and then I'll try this out. It might be wrong, but okay, I think I oh my, this looks like such a mess. Holy cow. Wow. But once this is 0, and once that is 0, okay, wait, this might work, guys. This might work. I might have got it. I might have got it. Okay, let's make a button. Okay, I'll just add the button right here. So add a button right there, and a button for the clock parts. And we have a little big fat long thing right here. So as soon as that changes, it should... Wait a minute. Hold on a second. Okay. Wait a minute. Hold on. These things shouldn't be... Okay, so this thing shouldn't get its input until this thing is here. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Okay, I'm gonna have this be like a tri-state buffer. So if it is first time, it's gonna buffer in here. Tri-state. That's not tri-state. Is this tri-state? Okay. Tri-state buffer it. And boom. 24. Added cache. I don't think that really help on this since like it's a simulation. It'll run like really fast. Also, caches. You know, I'm gonna like this is like a simulated thing. All the stuff are gonna be like instant, so we don't really need a cache. Oh no! Goodness, wait, hold on. Oh, I think that I have to have like an OR for the reset. Okay. Or all these resets should have an OR. Hold on a second. This is so messy, holy cow, I should probably clean this up. Okay, I have this OR gate. Do the thing. So, and this thing should go up and get the resets. Reset. Okay, reset down here. Oh, whoa, shoot. Okay, I think this is good. Boom, we have our resets, good. So, this thing should reset these two. So it resets both Ys and then also resets. Oh, okay, so also should reset this thing. And then, what is this? Hold on. Wait. Oh no, it's the clock. I'm stupid. Wait. I think I'm being stupid here. Oops. Wait a minute, I think, what the fuck am I doing? Shoot. Wait. Wait. Oh no, my brain is... I forgot what I did here. Oh, okay. I see. I see now. So this is the reset for it. And then... Okay, wait, I don't need this. Okay, this is the clock for it. Remember, this is 0. It should increment. I guess. Oh wait, no, this... there's so much like complicated parts to this, it's so hard to, I guess, control everything. So many moving parts. So many. Okay, so I'll just have this thing... Where are the so the resets are right here. And... Okay, this thing should be also a reset like this. Holy cow, this is such a mess. Oh, wow. Okay, you know what, I'll just reset everything. Yeah, okay, now it's 0. On its first time. Everything should update now. Wait, what the flip? Wait. What? What? What the heck happened? That is... What the heck is going on here? What? Oh my gosh, what? What? Wait, is it just... Wait, what the flip? I'm I'm so confused. What is going on here? What? I never even pressed anything. Oh, it's just auto updating. Okay. I see. I should probably, I'll just like not drag things then. Because whenever you drag things, it like updates it and then it starts doing weird stuff like that. Wait, what? Wait. That's not right. What? Well, I mean, these things are working in working order. Is that right? Wait. I just gonna drag this thing out right here. And then the reset. So, what? Holy cow, what the flip did I do? This is, oh my gosh, what the heck happened? Oh. Oh, what? I'm so confused right now. I'm just gonna make this an input just so it's easier to control, cause what the heck? I think this is what happens when there's so many different moving parts, like moving together. Okay, so if I set this to 1, these things should be... Why isn't... Is there a delay in here? There shouldn't be a delay. Like... That should like latch in place once it's set to 0, so... Why is it not? Like... This... What? Okay, I'm gonna need to break out the testing, the timing diagram for this, but... Hold on, I gotta go for a second. I'll see you guys in some time. Bye bye. Okay. See ya. Hello. I got a snack. I am, I should not be eating this much. I've been craving hello back. Man. Whatever. I've been craving chocolate. I'm like addicted to chocolate, so yeah. Alright. Let's continue. Let's try to figure out what the heck is going on here. Well, I need to figure out where the heck are... Where is the... There's something that like just like showed a... Like it would show... Oh, flag, okay. Let's have the flag be... You know what, I'm just gonna have F1. Oh, what the heck? F2. F3. And that's gonna be the resets. Right here. Okay, let's look at the timing. What's the recommended units? Okay, well, whatever. What is auto-calibrate cycle units? Okay, let's see here. Reset everything. And then boom. What? Hold on just a minute. What the heck is... That is... Why is it not working? What? What? The heck? Oh wait, it doesn't show when F2 is... Oh, hold on a second. Or... I was having this happen or just so it would stay like not disconnected. I should not be eating this much, my stomach hurts now. The grounds. 24. Okay, there we go. Let's try this again. Maybe this will show us now. Oh wait, that's weird. Okay, yeah, if you look at that, it's just that it shouldn't be instant like that. That's weird. It should be like slightly delayed. That is weird. Oh no, I can't zoom in on it. Maybe if I had to delay. Wait a minute, I think I know. I think this thing should be...
if I did that, hold on. Oh shoot, wait, wrong button. Oh, there we go. Okay, there. It just needed a bit of a delay just so it could like register it. Alright, okay, that's good. But are these things working? Ooh, what? Ooh. I don't know what's going on there. What the heck? Okay, let's try it again. 1 B B. Why is this 1? This is a decrementer. Why is it 1? That is weird. Whoa. Wait. Why is that 1? Oh. Oh, I see now. These are supposed to be the top. Okay. 10101. 10101. 10101. 0000. Okay, there. That is better. Okay, so now those things should work, hopefully. And 15 here, 15 here, 15, 15, 15. Okay, we got it. We got it working. We did it. Alright, okay, so these should be... Okay, if that's off, and it turns 0, what? Oh, gosh. What? Why is it... Oh no, both of the Y's just turn 0 if I do that. No, 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 no. Why does it do that? Why? I guess just add delay to this thing right here. Yeah, I'll just add like a singular delay to this. Maybe that'll help. There's so many like minute like timing things that just bug me so much. Okay, there, now it works. There's like such like minute adjustments of the time, and I hate it. Well, I guess that's just like the quirks. That's just the quirks of like working with stuff like this. It should not be doing that. I don't know why it does this stuff, but whatever. Okay, well, 15. Okay. I may be stupid, but okay, so this is the clock. This should go to 16, and then this should decrease to 14. Oh wait, no, that's not. Okay, it resets, but whatever. Okay, there. And then this thing should... Oh no, it's just stuck? Oh. Wait, no. Okay, I think I got it now. This thing does not need to... I got it. I think I got it, actually. So I'll just have this always be this until this thing is off. Wait, that's the wrong... What is this? That's just a reset. Wait, I'm stupid. That's not right. Oh no, this is the clock. Wait, what was that connected to? What? I have no idea what that's for, but I guess I'll just keep it there. Okay. Reset it. Boom. Oh, wait, I'm stupid. Another input for this one. I'll just enable this. Shoot. Reset. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh wait, I'm gonna have to like emulate all this stuff. I'll just I guess I'll just do this and then I'll just go down here. Oh shoot, okay. I guess I'll just have to work with this one. Okay. And then boom. There we go. And then this should be what the wait. Okay. No, I didn't. I'm not losing my mind. Okay. That sounds like that should be a game. It sounds like a game name. No, I'm not losing my mind. Whatever. Okay. Let's reset it. Test this out. Okay, so boom, we got 15. Wait. What? Ooh, I'm so confused. Oh shoot. I think. Oh. Goodness. You know what? I'm gonna have this be in inputs too. There we go. That should be decrementing, right? Yeah, ED. Two, 1, 0. Okay, there, now it's back. And then everything. Wait, didn't decrement this. What? Oof. Goodness. Wait, why didn't decrement it? Wait. This thing should. Wait, what? That's so weird. What? Wait. Oh shoot, I just realized. Oh, what? What the? I'm. Oh! Wait. Okay, I think I did something wrong here. So this thing's always gonna be on. Let me do this. It's not resetting. Oh no. Oof. That thing's okay. So this core part, the core component of it is just not working. Hold on. I need to think about this. Maybe if I, give me a second. Maybe if I like maybe if, because this thing should, like, but okay. So once it receives that, it should, yeah, it should set, but this thing should then reset and then not allow this. Okay, goodness. Wait, this thing just inherently doesn't make any sense. I think I'm being stupid. Oh. Cause like it's based on like time, and then in the first clock cycle with like this and this both on, but it's gonna continue being on, and then wait, no. So this is always gonna be on, and this is not always gonna be on. It's gonna turn off. So when this thing turns, okay. I'm sorry, guys. I need to like think about this for a second. Clocks. Okay, I'm just gonna go AFK for this. See you guys. Okay, hello everyone. I'm back. I think I might have to end this stream. Cause I'm really sorry, but I think I might have to end this stream because my stomach is hurting really bad right now. Oh gosh. Because I think I need a rest because I think I've eaten way too much today. And my stomach is hurting. Yeah. Or I could just sit here, try to endure it. Maybe something that just like sets. So. Goodness. What if I just set it so... Oh! I think I got it. Oh! Okay, so... What I'm thinking... is... I think I got it. What if I just do the opposite? What happened here? What is this contention? What? Oh, this. Oops. Okay, so this should... I'll just move that forward one. Oh no, that's a problem. Okay. Oh shoot, this is gonna be annoying. Okay, how am I gonna fit? This is so hard to, it's so hard to fit everything here. Wow. I guess I'll move all this forward. And then have the reset come down here. Like that. And then... Maybe if I sing, my pain will go away. I heard something somewhere that singing will make your pain go away. Or something like that. I'm sorry. I genuinely remember hearing that somewhere. I don't know. Okay, I need another and. So if it's off and this is off, I mean if this is on and this is off, it should reset. Or this is just off. Okay, you know what, whatever. If this is just off, it'll reset. So I'll just have a not go right there. And then, yeah, I think this is it. I think I got it. Ooh, okay, and then we just need to invert this one, which you could just set to inverse. Okay, yeah, wait. Oof, wait, no, that's not right. Okay, so... Am I being stupid? Oh no, it's not gonna be on for the first... Wait, no, it's not gonna be... So this and this needs to be on for it, and then when it's off... Oof, ooh. Oh! Oof. I think I got it. I think, oh. If I make an and between these two, and I like make it between these two things. Maybe that'll work. Hold on. Wait, I might be cooking with this one. I might be cooking. What is this? Wait, what does this thing do? Oh, that's just a clock. Okay, so we need the clock on, and then this on, and then the clock goes off. There! Okay, we got it working. It's a bit Rube Goldbergy, but it works. Finally. I should reset everything. That clock on, this on. Everything's 15. Off. Everything's still 15. 15, 15, 15. Clock on, decrement, increment. Whoa! It's working! Wait! I think it's working. Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. But that's alright because I like the way it hurts. Wait, this isn't okay, this is 10. What? Wait, that's not supposed to happen. Ooh. Why did it just... Ew. That's weird. What if I just put a monitor on it? Now it's... What? Okay, I think it's... Ugh, goodness. I'll try this again. Reset. Clock on. What? Wait. What is going on here? I think this is... Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, okay, I see what's going on here. So this right here, that, oh, wait. No, wait, that doesn't make any sense. Okay, clock. Boom. Why still 13? What? Oof. Okay, I'm sorry. There was a little interruption. Okay. So, wait, I don't think this is... That's not right. Right? Wait, okay, so that shouldn't be like that. This should have the clock be on when it's... Okay. Ooh, wait, no, that's weird. Okay, I think I need another and, actually. Oh my god, there's so much ands. Holy cow. Okay. And then like that, okay. I think this is good. So... Okay, reset everything. Please work this time. There's so much trial and error. So much. Reset. Clock on. This on. Clock off. Okay, everything should be 15. Yeah, okay, we're good. We're good, okay. Let's turn the clock again. And it should be decrementing. Wait. What? What happened here? Whoa. Whoa. What? It's not... I'm so confused. That should not be happening. Like... That's so... What? The heck? What's going on there? Maybe this needs to be an actual clock. Okay, I think that's glitching. Hold on. Clock. Maybe this will work. Just reset everything and then turn this on. Okay, well, what the heck? is going on here? I'm gonna have to have another timing thing, because this is weird. Very weird. Okay, so this thing should only decrement when it's set to decrement, so... okay. Let's reset everything, try this, see how it goes. Yeah, it's just like randomly... It's like randomly decreasing. Why is it doing that? That should not be happening. What is going on there? I'm so confused. That doesn't make any sense. Dude, this is what I hate about this stupid application. It does so much weird things like that. I don't know why. Genuinely, I have no idea what the heck is going on there. Yeah, it's not ever going up one. Why is it doing that? Whew, I'm so confused. I guess I'll have another mantra on this one, which is the Y, and then... Oh no! I think, hold on, I gotta check this. Oh, phew. They're both they're just both decrementing randomly. Why? These are never zero. I'm so confused. It should only work when this is zero, right? So why does it keep... Does it like reset the z... Oh. I am astonished. I'm confused. Oh god, why is it doing that? Genuinely. I think it's like the engine is breaking or something, because that should not happen. That should not happen. What? Ooh. Okay, see, this is like this stupid... This engine is... This website is so frustrating to work with. Gosh. I'm just trying to make a simple like cube drawer. I mean, square drawer, and it's just not working. Because of all this. This is like tomfoolery. I just want you to work. Please. Just work. You know what? Maybe if I delay it by one. Okay, maybe if I delay it. The red buffer? No, this is just like, this is just a normal part of it. This isn't like bad or anything. It's just like the buffer is just red. I don't know why they made it red, but it's just red. So it's nothing to do with that. There's something going weird with all this stuff, and I don't know what it is. This thing has to be zero for that thing to do that, so yeah, I don't know what's going on with that, so you know what, I just set this to clock and this thing to the x2 value. This is y1, y2. Okay, what the? Please actually don't do that this time, please. Okay, it's still doing the weird things. I think I noticed a pattern though. I think I see something. Hold on. Cause, okay, so... Wait, I think I see something. Something's going on here. Okay, so... Clock is off. X2 is updated. And then it's updated again, X2, X2. There might be a pattern. Wait, 10 to F. It goes, when this goes from 10 to F, it does all that, and then next one is 8 to 7. Whoa. Whew, what the heck? I'm so confused. 10 to... Ooh. Ah, goodness. What is going on? Wait, 8 to 7. 10 to F. Hold on. Wait, these are all like when it... These all happen at powers of 2. Wait a minute. Wait, something's going on here. Hold on, these are all happening at the power of 2. That means... What the heck is with the power of 2? Powers of 2. I got no idea. I guess the 0 thing glitches out and gets all weird. You know what? I'm gonna try something more stable. A more stable 0 detector. Maybe if I switch it out with that more stable thing, it will work. But I'll see it. MSB. Okay. Okay, so this should have the highest one, and it should not. So it will only be enabled when the thing is above 0. So this is a way of detecting if it's 0. Maybe this won't glitch out like the other method. I hope it doesn't. And wait, it's working now. What? Okay, well, I guess there's something weird with the power of 2 in that 0 circuit, I guess. Because it's working all good now. I don't know. Yeah, I guess there's something weird with that 0 circuit thing. Because I guess they're unsuitable for stuff like this, because... Yeah, I don't know. These things should equal each other. The entire time, these things should equal each other, so... What if I just... and this? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's really weird. I don't get it. I genuinely don't get it. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. What if I... You know what? I'm just gonna put this to an and it'll probably not work anymore. Just because of the weird thing that goes on with it. So let's try this out, shall we? What? Wait. Okay, why is it working now? What? Ooh. I don't get it. Cause like with the weird powers of 2 thing. Yeah, see? What? Okay, I think there's like something that goes on with the propagation of the signal and all that. So it's like something glitches out on it. Okay, what if it happens? Okay, I'm gonna try moving the circuit into that thing right there. Let's see how you handle this. Yeah. Okay, hopefully this kind of makes it not weird now. Nope, and it does that still. Ooh, wait, yeah, in the 8 to 7. Why? What is going on? What? Oh, I get it now. Okay, so the brief moment when that's off and that's on. 13, 12, 11, 10. The brief moment when these are all off. Like that's like there's like a very slight moment where it's all off, and then these things switch on, and that's what causes. What? Okay, that it's like such an ephemeral moment, and it just like wholly breaks because of that. So I guess I'll have to use this method. It's like such an ephemeral small moment. Yeah, it does so much. Well, well, it is what it is. Yeah, we just sometimes weird things happen like that, I guess. Yeah, you see, like these are like such like small quirks with the engine that just like completely break circuits because of how like the weirdness of it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to I'll just add like a note for that. Very moments where all stuff is off on C5 turns 0 on for a moment and breaks it. Engine flaw. You see, these are like such small things with the engine, and it just can't work. Engine. Sometimes I just wish I could. You know, I feel like contributing to this and just like fixing this stupid engine. Okay, the Y2 is going down. Fourth, 2, less than 9. But once that's done, it should turn off and then stall. Two, 1, off. Wait, what the heck happened there? Wait, that's weird. Okay, wait, no, it goes from... Okay, so it's at 0, and then 1, 0, and that's the final one. 13, 12, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And then clock turns back on. Resets everything. Wow. This is awesome. Holy cow. I think we did it, guys. I think we did it. Or maybe there's something weird going on here. I don't know. But looks like everything's good now, I guess, with the so it like turns off stall and then yeah, we just need to do that now. I just need to like double check this thing real quick if this thing is actually like going all the way. 15, 4, okay, I just need to double check this real quick. Give me a second. X2, how to speed X1. X1, okay. Y2, Y1, CLK. Okay, these things okay, this might be a bit of a problem, but like it happens as soon as it reaches 0, so it might not register. That, like, maybe it resets too quickly. Or I feel like the 0 thing is being weird. I think I knew there's another solution to this, but hold on. I had to go for a second. See you guys. Hey everyone. So, unfortunately, I'm gonna be having to end the stream for now. We had a good stream. Thank you everybody who tuned in, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Please subscribe. Please follow me on Twitch. Subscribe to me on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, see you guys later. Bye. By the way, thank you, Lucas, for helping me with this stuff. You are awesome. Alright, bye.